How to get addicted to studying, like you're addicted to scrolling shorts. Before I give you the medicine, let me explain the actual problem. Why are you addicted to scrolling shorts? Simple answer, dopamine. Dopamine is the feel-good hormone. Every time you experience pleasure, no, not that kind, your brain releases dopamine. And guess what? The brain gets greedy. It wants more. And more? Let me show you the pleasure scale. At the bottom, studying, then music, then movies, and right at the top, scrolling shorts. But why are shorts so addictive? Because they bombard your brain with information. Every 10 to 15 seconds, your brain gets a fresh shot of novelty. And the brain loves novelty. Think of information as food for your mind. And shorts are like junk food, tasty, fast, addictive. So what's the cure? It's not motivation. It's not discipline. It's resetting your dopamine baseline. Right now, your brain only feels pleasure at high levels of stimulation. That's why studying feels boring. To fix this, you need a dopamine detox. Here's how. Go for a walk every day for 10, 15 minutes. No phone, no music, just your thoughts. Sit quietly and meditate for 10 minutes. No fancy apps, just breathe. Yes, I know you've heard this before. But the real question is, are you doing it? Because nobody's handing you a magic lamp. Only these simple things can make you uncommon. Now, once your baseline starts dropping, you'll feel less need for constant stimulation. But here's the next step. You don't just lower the baseline, you raise studying on the pleasure scale. How? See studying like watching shorts. You scroll shorts with full focus for hours and no one asks what you learned, but you still remember things. Why? Because your brain is hungry for info. Books have that too, but slower. That's why we're fixing your patience first. Change your mindset. Don't study just to score high. Study to know things, to feed your brain, to grow, to win. Make a to-do list. Write down the topics you want to cover. Tick them off one by one. Each tick gives you a mini dopamine hit, and those small wins add up. Do more, feel better. Do more. This is how you fall in love with the process. This is how you get addicted to studying. And I believe you will, because you're built different. Now subscribe and go do the work.